If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys!
So, good day guys! So meron na naman tayong package. Ito ay batch 39 I think or batch 40. I forgot but yeah, it's been inspected by customs. Na-open na ng customs to guys. So yan, let's see. Ngayon pa yata bumalik yung FedEx guys. Hindi, nag-ano lang, stop lang. Okay. May bibili. Pause.
Alala po nyo, sir.
So, ito na. Open na natin guys. Pero we got a mask. Damn! Isa-isayin natin guys. Ilan ba ito? Oh my god. Dapat 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29, 30, 2, 33, 30. Ano to? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 14 na lahat na guys. 2, 4, 6, 47. Sakto. 47 cards guys. Sisayin natin guys. And baliktad ko na yata yung camera para mas madali. Sige. Switch off. So ito guys ang ating batch. Isa-isayin natin. Medyo marami guys. First half. Okay, let's go. Ano ba to? Ayan. PSA 9 Articuno. PSA 8 Silver Tempest. Dedene PSA 10 Kangaskhan Mega. Dalawang PSA 10. Teka lang, tapusin ko lang tong video. Kakain na kami guys eh. Kaya bilisan ko muna to. Then Sylveon PSA 10, Glaceon PSA 10, Unigaba PSA 10, Leafeon, Umbreon PSA 10. Ang pangalan nito PSA 10 and a PSA 9 and a PSA 10 and a PSA 10 and a PSA 9 and a PSA 8. Ano yan? Ano yan? PSA 9. Sabihin mo muna anong bibilin mo. Ayun guys, may bumibili. Yun guys, sinanong muna. Dami bumibili. Sinarado ko muna guys. Kasi kakain na rin kami. Next, the Mega Charizard. PSA 10. Mega Venusaur PSA 10. Mega Kangaskhan PSA 10 ulit. Mega Gardevoir PSA 9. Mega Charizard ulit PSA 10. Tapos dito sa Prismatic PSA 8 EV. Tapos PSA 10 ulit. Oh my god, PSA 10 9. And a PSA 10. Then a Bulbasaur and ano, PSA 9. Akin pala yun guys. Iwalay ko na. Aligaw. Next, may Bulbasaur tayong PSA 10 guys. PSA 10 Bulbasaur. Charizard PSA 10. Mahal na nito guys. PSA 8 Charizard. PSA 9 Charizard. Mega Charizard PSA 8 9 pala. Wanted Luffy PSA 10 and a Marshadow PSA 10. And Eevee PSA Espeon PSA 10. Umbreon PSA 10. Pikachu PSA 9. Ang Van Gogh Pikachu PSA. Mahal na nito guys. And last ano na lang. Ivysaur PSA 9 10. PSA 10. Detective Pikachu PSA 10. Bulbasaur PSA 10. Ivysaur PSA 10. Then ito PSA 10 din. PSA 10 and PSA 10. So yun guys. If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. So, yun yung ating batch 39 or 40, I think. Kalimutan ko na, sobrang dami. 37, 38, 39 to. So, massive return for this batch. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace! See you in the next batch. And dapat may vlog tayo, no? Kalimutan mag-vlog guys.
She